Team Rocket blasting off again. Oh! Oh shit! Guys, I think there might be blind dogs. Hey, I think there might be blind dogs. Landon, watch out! There's blind dogs. Landon, watch out! Landon, look out! There's blind dogs. He might be dead. He might be dead.
Hey, control enemies doesn't work.
It doesn't? It works. I'm literally doing it right now.
Hello?
It works. I'm doing it.
Yeah, control enemies does not work.
It works. I just did it.
Wrong button, bozo. Hey, do you remember that one?
It's raining horses.
You remember that one clip of like someone opened like the...
Hey, you can't kill me.
Does that involve dying? Okay. I hear one of you. Are you guys gonna? Oh, you're gonna control the roaming locusts. I think that thing's disabled. I don't think you're able to use that. No, but you. Shit. I just ran into a. Help!
What the hell is this?
You were controlling that, weren't you? You were 100% controlling that. That's just awesome.
Is that you? Wait, Jacob, did it work for you?
Wait, I just got myself killed.
Did you control a blind dog and kill it?
Wait, no, I didn't control anything. It's more of a morph than control, because that was I summoned that in.
Shit. Oh god. Oh. No, don't forget that. Here, feed on him. Unless I just, yeah, I'll go your way, okay. Hey, I just realized something. Items don't matter because it's day 0, so... I did not mean to do that. That was an accident. That's an accident. No, don't do it! Oh, what the fuck? Alright, that's kind of stupid. My butt. Alright. Sandwich. Okay. Can y'all hear me?
What was our head start? Like 30
Can
seconds?
y'all hear me? Might be easier like this.
What was that? Isn't it just kind of like cheating? Wait, mine was below the normal. Okay, I don't like that. What is that? Oh shoot! The only issue with this map is that if it's flood. Oh, that's what happened. Hey, is that you? Who's that thing? Oh, there you go. I almost just ran it. Well, I got one thing. What do you mean, how are you here? I don't know, you... Going into complete darkness. You think you're funny, do you? Don't you? Yeah, get out of here. Oh my gosh, you went down. Oh! Oh, you can actually... You're not there. Yeah, you're not there anymore. I thought. I wonder if you can transform as a boa. What was that? I don't recognize that. Stop it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a coil head. Oh, that's just off. Landmine. Let me out of here! I can't see! At the end? I'll be honest, I don't know how I'm gonna get to the other side. Don't. Yeah, good. Let's see if I can even... Let me see if I can find a one. What the fuck? Oh, it's one of those. Oh, the one that's about to kill me. I'm dead. Okay, I'm here. Okay. Help! Well, I don't know who he's just gonna turn into, but... Nope, I know what he... What? I just fell. Remember, run around corners, that's complete thing. If you run in a straight line, you're dead. But what's it doing? What the heck? Help! There's too many. What the heck was that? What was... Hey, shut up.
What the fuck?
Back in there. I repeat, do not go back in there. Oh my gosh, if you go back in there, you're so dead. Get back. No, get over here. Come on, come on. You can still kill us out here, so be careful. Exhibit A. Hey, I'd go check Jacob. How did you not die? Oh, okay, that's not nice. Run. Kraken, hey, can you like back up, please? Oh shoot, that thing's scary up close. Let me leave. Shoot, that scared me. Oh, there's a man-eater. Oh, that's just awesome. Oh, and a thumper. What? I can just crawl through the vent. Help! I can't see. There's 30,000 noises in my ears. Dude, I couldn't hear anything. Dude, I couldn't hear anything. I heard like a bracken, a man-eater crying. I heard a thumper. I heard a Jacob stupid porn. I heard...
We need plenty more. Two stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. One, here comes the two.
Oh, it isn't the best part of the song. Hey,
like this.
join the party.
Y'all can be my backup dancers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. Okay, dude, he'll know.
Never mind.
He said, "Be right back. Going to get Cheez-Its."
Where's the... Team Rocket, blasting off again. Oh! Oh shit!
Behind. That would suck, wouldn't it? Yeah, you suck. Yeah, you're slow. Yeah, what are you gonna do? You can't go to space. You're gonna die of, I don't know, dehydration or something. Nice emote.
Let's go. Come on, let's roll. Let's roll out.
I wanna dance.
Move your butt. You can dance and walk.
Hold on, I had to buy useful items, guys. Like, look at this. Like, is this not useful?
Come on, Jacob, let's go.
What?
What the hell? Let's get going. Wait, hold on. Let's get going. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
What are we doing?
What's up? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Found a claw.
Holy crap.
What? Oh.
Do I want to use
Yeah.
the gulper? Dude, it's a
Don't worry,
slime.
Jacob.
Kill him!
You got it, Jacob. Let's go. Here.
What made you think that was a good idea? This is a fine. This isn't Terraria. Gel doesn't mix with fire to make more fire.
Yeah.
Let's find this.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Help! There's no one on the ship. I don't know why I'm yelling help. Damn it! Get out! No! Get on the fucking ship!
Got sprayed. Oh, no, get away from that. Nope.
Spore lizard is harmless.
Yeah, I'd like to not be killed.
This spore lizard is harmless. Just don't go near it. Hurry to the elevator.
I don't even know where that thing went. Oh, that's awesome.
What?
Oh wow, Matt, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh
my god.
Oh my god, how did we not die? That was like the last second. That
Everyone's dead, aren't they?
You did good. You did good. You did good. You did good.
Even get their bodies?
Bro, I was like
I
right
don't
on the
think he wants to
railing.
try.
I was right on the railing trying to get the stuff.
No, next time you need to like die first. You guys look really awkward because I have no music playing.
Oh, here, let me do it. I didn't realize
Are all
this.
the old birds active immediately
Yes.
on when it's
Get in, get in, shit. Wait.
shoot?
Ah! No! Ah!
I think he died.
It's super. Oh, heck no.
Oh! The fucking nutcracker! There's a fucking
I had the
nutcracker!
whole thing. That was awesome. You can get his body. We have a teleporter. He wasn't gonna crush you. Just don't go through. I was trying to.
No, Landon, fuck.
Close that back up. I see why you were not keen.
What? There's a fucking
What the
barber
heck?
and a... What? What? What?
I did not make it out alive. That's scary.
There is a nutcracker and a barber!
Was that you?
No! There's a
Wait, that's a natural barber?
Yes, there's an actual barber and a nutcracker!
I hear a barber.
Wait, I thought that was you. That's why I wasn't concerned.
Is that a nutcracker's?
Oh my god!
I was like, what's that noise? I was like, who is a clown horn?
Jacob, I'm gonna try to get his body. I gotta find this.
Oh my god!
No, hey, that sounds a barber. The other sound is a nutcracker.
There's a... Oh my god!
Huh? You just got
Dude!
snipped up.
Bro, I think there's a bracken as well!
Bro, I saw
Oh my
something.
God.
I saw a spider. I saw a nutcracker. I saw a barber.
What?
What?
Why is his hands
He
like
isn't
that?
holding anything.
Why is his hands like
Did you
that?
not see it? No, he was holding me, and he turned around, and I got crushed in the door or in the machine.
Oh my god.
He doesn't understand what entities there are. He's not. He's done.
Yeah.
Wait, that was frame perfect.
Get out of there!
Oh my gosh, he is about to die either way. Anybody actually know how to drive this thing without screwing everything up?
Here, I'll get in the back. Let me in the back. Alright, everybody, I gotta go
I'll get
AFK
on
for a
the top.
second.
I'll get on the
BRB.
Okay.
Onward. That's the opposite. Let's not crash into them, please. Oh wait, this is doable. Who's playing that really sad music?
Me.
Okay, maybe I'll sit down because I almost fell off.
We're about to die. What's going on? What's going on?
No, we're chilling. Doable.
Dude, me and Kate are having a party back here.
What, is it just like all shaky back there?
Yeah, I can't even see what's going on. Guys, you look
so you're
behind
just...
You see the window?
Oh, what up? Oh, what up? How's it going back there?
I don't know, I just
Why
got
do you
thrown to the
keep
very back.
jumping? Guys, I'm out of what? I just got shoved out of the thing.
I think that's the least of our concerns
Whoa,
right
you're popping a wheelie! Whoa, you're popping a wheelie! Wait, you're crazy.
Like a washing
Wait, he's
machine.
he's crazy. He just popped a wheelie. Oh, there you guys go too. How are we gonna get him back in? Run him over. We'll pick up his body. Trust. We'll just pick up his body. Never mind. He's made of solid titanium. Special delivery. Who put the clipboard back here? I'm not in. I want to get on the roof. Stop with the horn! I'm pressing the eject button if I hear that horn one more time. Don't test it. Does that song keep saying banana?
Wait, what? What just happened?
What? We just all got eaten by a worm.
I was just messing with Jacob, bruh.
I think the music was blocking off the sound because I couldn't hear like any like rumbling.
How did I die, by the way? I was AFK.
Oh my
What the
gosh!
heck was
Did you
that?
hear anything?
Everybody get on the inverse teleporter.
But we're kind of popping off.
Get on the inverse teleporter.
I don't even have to be on it for it to teleport, man. Who just died? Are you good?
Go, get on! Everybody, Jacob!
Wait, what? Where did everyone else go? What?
Yo, guys, where you
Why
at?
do I have 2 golden cups?
Yo, where you at?
I'm in a cave.
I'm in a cave too. What a funny coincidence. Ah! Oh bad. Here, take a cup. I have 2. We can collect the cave water. Hey, take the damn cup. Right now. Hey! Hey! Why is there so many cups? Holy shit! Why is there so many cups? Slow down, dude. I need help. I need help, please.
What's over there on your side?
Help!
No proof.
Get your ass back here! Why does Jacob keep running away? Oh, why do I have 4 golden cups?
Fine. I think it's one of those two.
I have 4 golden cups and Jacob won't carry a single one of them. Carry it. There's 4 of them. I have so many.
Quiet. Everybody quiet.
Damn. Are we in a dead end? By the way. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm 3. What the fuck? Why do we have so many? What is this? What is this? Bro, I swear that if I find a number... Do we have 6 now? Bro, we're fucking dead. God... Damn.
What do you mean look down?
Guys.
Is this just all cave?
We found 6 cups. Oh my god.
We have 8.
Both
have 4.
What is this? Wait, here, let's put them all in the center.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
828. There's another one,
That's
guys.
crazy.
Over there.
Oh my gosh, wait, this is
There's
all
another
worth.
one.
Oh my god!
In total, this is worth like. It's just like
Wait,
it's 50.
scan it.
It's
Scan
50 per. We already did. I got 600, but it didn't scan. all
Guys,
of
we
them.
gotta get out. Are we in a dead end, or is there a way out of here?
I don't know.
We
Never
have
explored
yet to find a way.
Oh shoot, we might be dead.
Oh, this is the chasm, man. I had to jump over and get
I was gonna say, Ben, did you explore that much?
No.
Dude, I ain't making that jump with this much weight. Okay.
I have 4 and I just made it.
That way it might be dead, I'm not sure.
Well, you'll
No,
never
it
know.
is,
until
it
you-
is, it is. I remember now, it is.
Never mind, we'll go back this way.
Me and Jacob just went here and we didn't. Oh my god.
You're terrible at directions, Ben.
Sorry, I didn't explore this place.
You haven't committed it to memory?
No. Ooh.
There's a lot of sketchy areas in here.
Yeah, no kid.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's the first barber I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Another cup!
Yeah, but can get activated.
Another cup to add to the horde.
Oh god. Are we dead down here? Or is this like an endless cave of just cups?
I'm pretty sure we're the type of people, the explorers who like come down here and die, and they make a movie about people finding our lost treasure.
But wait, what would the movie be called? The Search for the 16 Golden Cups?
No, there's more than that, I'm pretty
Or
sure.
no, because that's more important than the 4 dead. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Why was it just?
It's like a horror movie!
What the fuck?
Do
Oh my
we just
God.
get? Wait, where's Jacob?
He went to go chase after the package.
What the fuck? Oh,
Where could his secret room be? There's like nowhere on this map.
oh
Did you
god.
even bother following the
Hell.
Was that a dead end back there? I wasn't even paying attention.
Wait, you think the bracken would lead us to the exit?
I don't know where I'm following. By the way, I don't know where
trail. The blood trail keeps going this way, but looks like we lost. Yeah, there is, right here.
Oh wait, no, there's not blood. I think I'm just coping.
We head back the way we just came from.
We just came from this way.
We haven't fully explored this area. Watch your back.
I would.
He's probably going to pick off Jacob next, let's be honest. There's a coil somewhere.
How do you know?
I hear him walking like really fast. Oh, right behind us!
Hey, found it.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that guy got Jacob.
There's some to our left walking.
Oh my god.
Can you look to our left?
Ben, check,
I'm
check,
walking.
check.
Oh, Jacob.
Oh my god, how did you not die? What? Wait, now we have to look this way and the bracken can be behind us. So we'll look this way, this will look behind.
Yeah, I'm watching Coilhead. Watching Coilhead.
Here, I'll just tell you what to do. Slowly back up. Just back up.
Guys?
Oh my gosh, run.
Guys!
What? What just happened?
Did anybody run like I said?
What the hell just happened? What? There's a coilhead, a thumper, a bracken, and
Yeah,
what? And why did he double kill? A bracken's gonna double kill.
I can't even pick up your dead body. Who died? Is that the...
Stared at it too long. You got
Jacob,
it.
where the fuck did you go?
Bro, do you know how scary that was for me when we didn't know there was anything down there with us? I was walking so peacefully, and I jump up.
Hello?
And I just get.
I didn't think we
Layden, turn around, Layden!
Somebody out
Oh
here?
my god! Oh my god!
Oh, you're out.
Stop staring at him!
There's nothing I can do.
Oh my lord.
I couldn't do anything.
Dude, he was why is there a forest shine on the ship?
Wait, why is there a force giant on the ship?
Oh, we
Bro,
were
what was
dead.
that map?
Fine. I wanted to get a light. Good luck.
Hello?
Hello? hello, Mr. Perfume Bottle. Hey, what's up? Where you at?
I don't know. I think I'm in the room you're in.
Oh,
Hey.
Oh, hey, Jake.
Oh, hey.
Hey, we got
Here,
Joe!
guys.
We're holding Perfume Bottle. Oh my god. Why is it doing this?
Another one. Be quiet. That meant stop moving, but that's fine. Who?
Oh my god.
You gotta be kidding me! How do you? No way you stepped on that. How do you manage that?
What? Wait, what? Is this new?
Partygoers? Oh shoot, partygoers.
Is this new? I've never seen.
No,
Whoa.
we're gonna. Whoa. I
I've
know
never seen this
they updated the mansion. Well, I didn't like that sound.
I have never seen this before.
But I don't like the sound of. Wait, there's a door right here. Where are you going?
Oh. What?
He actually did update the mansion. That's actually kind of crazy.
I've never seen this before. Your special day is tomorrow.
I found a new item. I found a new item.
What?
It's a key.
Screw you. Where are we right now? Like.
Okay.
Oh my lord. These perfume bottles. Wait, how many do we have right now?
What? Wait, pool rooms?
Wait, what? Dude, are we in the freaking back rooms or a lethal company? What is this? What?
Nope, I'm not standing in the middle of that. I am not standing on that. I don't know what's in this water. Remember, we do have a slight chance of taking damage.
Is it safe?
I don't know. All I know is
Dude,
that...
why is there so many back rooms like rooms? Where are we right now?
Pretty sure
Dude,
those were the party rooms.
Like they have a...
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Oh my lord, move!
Oh, flip, that scared me.
Shit! What is this?
Run! Don't go.
Fuck. What the fuck? I'm not scared. I'm not scared at all. Ah, fuck!
Oh my, I'm not scared at all. Dies.
Hey, take the... Hey! Jacob! Take the items up there. Come get this item. Wait, Jacob, take these back. Take these back. Take them back. Take them. What the fuck? What the hell?
It's a landmine.
Jacob, you suck. Dude, you suck.
No,
I gave you a
Bill was in
list
the
of
sim.
items. Wait, how's he dead? What happened to him?
We found
I
a
gave
coil
him-
head and I trapped it in a room and he saw a landmine there, so he ran in and tried to explode both of them and...
No, so we don't lose it.
Fine.
Oh shit, I'm dead. I'm not gonna make it. There's a mask below us,
Oh, that must have been. Hayden, how do you get past this?
Jump on the railing. Ben, hurry!
Stuck.
Go around, get... Oh my god, Shit, oh shit, move! Ben, don't go up! Move! Why is there so many dead masks? Is our game bugged? Is our game actually bugged? Oh my god, there's more!
There's another! Run!
Damn it! Fuck! What is happening? Ow!
Rick, no! Start the day!
What happened?
There's masks everywhere!
They're not. Why are there so many?
Well, what do you mean there's masks everywhere?
There's hundreds. There's dead ones. There's live
You
ones.
don't see anything.
There are all kinds of ones.
Yeah, they're like.
We couldn't have at least waited to see what it was.
Fight to the death.
Ow!
Oh, I'm out of here. I'm out.
Ah! No! Ah! Ah! Oh shit! I'm in the freaking back rooms. Oh my god! Stop killing me! I gotta tell y'all about it! You're ruining the story! You're ruining the story!
Ben, how did you do that?
Do I?
Oh my lord.
He was in the back rooms and you got him out of it. Who the heck just teleported me?
Oh my god! Oh my lord! Jacob, I was in the back rooms! The mod worked! What the fuck? Dude, you suck.
Oh my gosh. He's an idiot. This kid is so stupid.
Look at Jacob! He's on the top of the- Wait, look! There's a buildings! There's buildings in the background! What the
I
hell?
didn't know they had detail like that.
Did you see-
Alright, I'm going to deliver these jetpacks. Oh goodness! Oh goodness me! Right. Oh crap! I've done a little more of this. We're gonna be responsible drivers. Hey!
Help!
Bro,
Help
that
me!
is actually crazy.
Wait, what do you mean the others are dead? How did they die?
Jacob stepped on a landmine.
There's no way. What the flip? Where did that come from? Oh,
what the fuck? Oh my god, we're dead. We're all in a huge series of dead ends. No! Ben.
Okay, so first aid. There's a left you can make. There's a left you can make.
Jacob.
Past the door.
Oh my god! Okay. You wanna grab that sign? Go.
No,
Wait.
toilet paper is a death sentence.
Legend. Hey. Run to the... Jacob, get down here. Do not go up there. Go to the left. No, just move! Landon. Oh, good god. This is... Jacob, there's no point. There's... This is sad. Oh my god! Oh my lord, have mercy!
what did I just come back to?
Landon, Ben and Jacob are dead. There's multiple turrets. There's a barber. There's a coil head. There's multiple turrets. Yeah, there's multiple turrets, landmines, and spike traps. We're dead. There's only one way out, and we have to go towards the barber and coil head, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, you're serious.
And somebody just threw an egg. Who froze an egg? Like, why was there an egg thrown? What the hell?
Wait, who's dead? Who's dead and who's alive?
Us two. That's it.
How did Jacob die? Wasn't he alive?
He went to go get Ben's body.
Where's his body?
I'm with Ben. Over here. Come this way.
Hey,
You want to say hi?
Coilhead.
You want to say hi to your dead friends? They're down that hallway. Wrong hallway.
I'm sorry, but it's nothing personal. Bang.
Watch him
Look, it's a
real quick.
Coilhead.
Yeah.
Who's watching the Coilhead?
You watch him real quick.
I'll watch him.
Go now, leave, go. Go, you gotta run to the side, run to the side, move! Oh, you gotta run past the turret.
What am I doing? You just told me to run it.
Run past
Or
the turret,
watch
go
him.
straight down, run past the turret, go straight down the hallway and to the right. There's a barber there, but we have no
Am
other
I gonna be
choice.
safe?
I don't know where the barber is,
Okay,
there's
just
no other
watch
choice.
him, watch him.
I am.
How does the barber work?
I have no clue.
Hoarding button. There's a flipping hoarding button. Oh my gosh.
Bro, this is actually insane. What is this lobby? Get
I've
it!
never seen lethal lobbies like this before.
Hard. I said like this.
You're kidding me. What? I literally just had to turn right now. Oh my gosh! I didn't see that!
Dude,
I didn't see that!
Okay, where are you?
Dude, Kane, you gotta get it on. Don't watch out. I was like, what's that red light?
Oh.
Kane, you have to do something.
No!
Oh my gosh. That's his.
I'm just gonna try it first again.
Now control one of the. Now become a bird in the distance.
No! No, why is there?
Oh, no, that works too.
Why is that guy ever? Leave me alone!
No, it's just one of his friends.
I will hit you. I will hit you.
Oh, I gotta get my outfit on.
Let's go, guys.
What's going on in here? Ah! Dude. Oh my god, it's a sign, Landon.
Jacob,
it's
he
a
keeps holding
sign.
it.
It's a sign.
Why do two people have masks?
3, 2. We're gonna die anyway.
Why is there a number? Why is there a gesture?
Bye, Landon. Bye, Landon.
No, move. Get away from me.
No, I'm good.
Run. You're behind me. I can't go any faster.
Oh, it's just 2 minutes.
Let me on. Get me out of here. Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
Oh my. Why is
Look
there
at
a
my
force
mimic
fight?
outs.
Dude.
Don't hurt me. I promise I'm fine.
What is this lobbies?
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh.
Ben. Ben! Ben!
Hey, I'm gonna go in here. It's fine. I don't think they can open doors. They can open doors. Help!
So dead. How's he so dead?
I'm insane. Oh, no, I was not invincible. Never mind. I thought I was invincible.
Dude, okay, so Kate put on a mask for funsies. I died. I died to a bracket. Situation. I mean, he's
We leave him behind and we detail him as MIA.
Good idea.
So when researchers go into this place like 40 years. Oh my god!
It dropped me! It dropped me! Why did it drop me? They're coming out of the ground. Bro.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell? What did you...
Why did it pick me up and then drop me?
I don't recognize those footsteps.
It's crazy.
I can't.
Oh my gosh, that made me jump so bad I just unplugged my headset. I just unplugged my headset. That scared me. That scared me so badly.
Oh my god!
No, it's in here! What do you mean?
I was pointing.
No, I asked you, is it in this room? And it's right there. In this room. Jacob, you just look out for us for a second while we just trapped ourselves in here.
Yeah.
Jacob, look behind you.
No, oddly enough, it's not sticking.
Jacob, you open this door, Jacob. You better open this flipping door right now. I'm out of here! Get me out of this place.
Oh no.
No.
Poor child.
Okay. Wait, it didn't one-shot me? Can you just like... No. No. I'm staring at you, that means you don't move.
No way!
I dude, what the fuck was that? What is this? What the heck was that?
Well, fuck.
What the heck? I was tabbed out. What the fuck? What's it up? How is it up here? What is that? With just the reveal. Hey. Jacob, that goes for you too, Jacob. Don't say anything.
Why?
Go! Wait, it's inside the ship?